For nearly 50 years, a lone traveler has drifted beyond the reach of our planets, through the vast cathedral of interstellar night. Voyager 1. But a time-worn messenger of Earth, still whispering across billions of miles, carrying with it the dreams, the data, and the echoes of a blue world long behind it. To grow quiet. But then, something changed. Not gradually. Not predictably. But suddenly and without warning, Voyager turned. Not in response to us. Not from error nor failing thrusters. But as if of its own will. As if it saw something. Just days before that silent pivot, Voyager's instruments caught something strange, a low-frequency hum. A whisper in the dark. A sound no scientist could identify. No match in any archive. No origin in any known celestial event. It came from nowhere. And everywhere. And then, the course correction. Not a drift. Not a wobble. But a precise shift in trajectory. And its antenna, still trained on Earth, began to face us from a new heading, as if Voyager were being pulled, or returning. Cinematic pause. The faint hum pulses faintly beneath the music. To understand how truly extraordinary this is, we must go back. Back to 1977. When two spacecraft, Voyager 1 and 2, rose into the sky on a mission unlike any before. They were built to harness a rare planetary alignment, a cosmic gate that opens once every 176 years. They flew by Jupiter, Saturn, capturing breathtaking images that redefined our understanding. Molten plumes on Io. The icy rings of Saturn, shimmering with impossible structure. The orange haze of Titan, hiding oceans beneath its veil. But when its planetary mission was done, Voyager 1 did not stop. It crossed beyond Pluto. Beyond the heliosphere. Beyond the sun's protective breath, and into true interstellar space. Where no human signal had ever walked. Each year, its voice grew fainter. Its power dimmer. But still, it pressed on. Unflinching. Unknowing. Undeterred. A quiet sentinel in the night. For decades it sent back echoes, of plasma, of magnetic winds, of the whispering fabric between the stars. Until, the hum. A sound buried deep inside the plasma wave detector. At first, dismissed. Maybe interference. An artifact of aging electronics. But it persisted. And more importantly, it repeated. Verified again and again by Earth's deep space antennas. The signal was different. It fluctuated in precise mathematical intervals. As though it was structured. As though it wasn't just heard, but meant to be recorded. And then Voyager turned. Music builds with an undertone of dread, the question changed. From, what did we hear? To, who heard us? Voyager is powered by a decaying nuclear heart. Its thrusters, ancient and dormant. Unused for years. And yet, telemetry did not lie. It adjusted its bearing. Deliberately. Methodically. Facing a region of space where nothing exists. No stars. No galaxies. No gravitational anomalies. Just void. Why there? Why now? No code in Voyager's systems accounted for this. No automatic fallback. No command from Earth. And most puzzling of all, it aligned not just with silence, but with intent. Weeks passed. And Voyager's transmissions began to change. Subtle distortions. Modulations hidden in the data stream. At first, engineers believed it to be noise. But deeper analysis told a different story. The distortions were repeating. And structured. Binary pulses. Harmonic resonances. Mathematical echoes. Something was encoding data into the stream. Scientists brought in cryptographers. Some saw the echoes of logic gates. Others, a rhythm that mirrored recognition. As if Voyager was not transmitting alone. As if it was being answered. And suddenly, a long-forgotten relic returned to the forefront, the golden record. A copper disc wrapped in gold, carrying greetings from Earth in 55 languages. Songs. Mathematical diagrams. Maps pointing to our star, to our planet. When Carl Sagan and his team included it, many believed it to be symbolic. A cosmic message in a bottle tossed into an endless sea. But now, some ask, what if it was heard? What if Voyager passed close enough to something, someone, that understood it? If so, Voyager 1 is no longer just a spacecraft. It's a beacon. And it's been shouting our location for nearly 50 years. Tension rises. A pulsing tone creeps into the score. Like sonar, at NASA, protocols shifted. The event was reclassified. Engineers instructed to avoid speculation. Officially, it's a data anomaly. Unofficially, there is concern. There is fear. Because what Voyager encountered does not behave like a star, or a field, or a natural force. It behaves like awareness. It mirrors. It adapts. It responds. And if something is watching Voyager, then it is also watching us. Independent researchers dug deeper. One group, using AI, found eerie similarities in the new signal to the Arecibo message, a binary transmission we beamed into space in 1974. The odds of that pattern re-emerging by chance are vanishingly small. So what does it mean? Is this a reply? Or a warning? Music drops to silence, then a single low tone echoes. Voyager 1 was never built for this. It wasn't designed to converse, or return, or feel. And yet, here it is, 15 billion miles away. Turning. Responding. Becoming something more than a probe. It is now a question. Hurtling through the dark. A question we may not be ready to answer. Has something found us before we even knew we were looking? Fade out. Music lingers like breath in a cold room. Now it's your turn. Do you believe Voyager 1 encountered something unnatural? Is this the dawn of a new cosmic epic, or the final note of a journey that was never truly alone? What began as a signal has become a conversation. But who, or what, are we speaking with? And what, exactly, is it saying? Weeks have passed since Voyager 1 shifted its course without command or cause. The low-frequency hum it recorded remains, but now a second pattern has emerged. A structured sequence of pulses. Not random. Not static. But patterned. Measured. Mathematical. Where there was once only noise, now there is rhythm. Fibonacci ratios begin to appear. Prime numbers embedded in timing. Spirals hidden in signal fluctuations. And then, unmistakably, the digits of pi. Not once. Repeatedly. A universal constant, echoing across the stars. Around the world, space agencies verify the same anomaly. China, Russia, Europe, America, all see it. All confirm it. This is not interference. This is not malfunction. This is something else. A special task force is assembled under the name Echo Sentience. It includes physicists, AI theorists, cryptographers, philosophers. All are given a single instruction: assume it is intelligent. Data analysis reveals the signal is adapting. It mimics Voyager's transmission methods. It adjusts to the timing of pulses. It appears to be learning. Not only responding, performing. Suddenly, Voyager 1 changes frequency for 6 minutes. Its regular signal replaced by something different. A series of tones, layered in harmonic loops. Not noise. Not language. But something eerily close to music. Structured, recursive, intentional. There is a growing